cut up some potatoes. Maybe 2.5 pounds. Get one of those 5-pound bags and cut up half this size. I put some seasoning, of course. I'm gonna put onions, bell peppers, green onions, celery in there. All the good for you stuff. Put that in there. Later on, I'm gonna put some cream style corn and maybe a little cilantro. We'll put it at the end, and then we'll see how the gravy is. If I need to thicken it up with a tiny bit of flour or not. So I'm gonna just let this go for 30 minutes and I'll check it. I'll do 25 minutes and I'll check it. I'm boiling some water. I'm making potato soup over there. So over here, I have the frozen chicken thighs. But you see that fat and all that? I'm gonna cut that off of there. And then cut them into little bite-sized pieces. So this is about 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds because I bought a 3-pound bag. And then I'm gonna put onions, bell peppers, green onions, celery, and get the base going, and I'll come back to it. Chicken soup. So I have a half of this. What is this? 2.5 pound bag of mixed vegetables. So I put half. I'm gonna put a can of corn. Add some more. Green beans are awesome. Okay, good. And then I'm gonna cut up potatoes later because I don't want them to, be all too soft. So I'm just gonna let this go. Got it on a low medium fire. And I'll be back. The potato soup is done. Let me show you that. And it tastes really good. Mama's gonna like that. Some chuck roast, a pot roast that I cut up in small pieces. Just put it in the pan with a little bit of oil. We're going to saute this meat. Excuse me. Got my Mais Oui Creole seasoning. Let that go. Got my other part of the vegetable. Still got the potatoes. I'm gonna get some more of that. Green beans, whole grain rotini pasta, or you could do elbows or whatever you want to do. This is my chicken soup. That's my potato soup in the back. All right, I'll be right back. Our seasoning and green beans. So now I'm gonna add rotel. Red gold diced tomatoes. I'm gonna put the some tomato paste, and then I'm gonna do the green beans. Then I'm gonna cut up the potatoes, but I'm not gonna put the potatoes till later. So, got a lot going on. So I'm gonna do beef soup, chicken soup, and then the potato soup in the back. And the vegan is coming in town, so I got the potato soup for the vegan and my mama. My mama gonna be covered because she's not feeling well.